Here's a doggy. Hungry dog. What's up, YouTube? Hi, I'm Kim. This is my vlog. So, the past few days have been hectic. Mostly working. I worked 9 hours again today. And, I was happy to get my 9 hours. I'm like, alright. Sundays suck, though. Sundays are hard. Sundays were a lot of work. I was a bad girl today. I should have not smoked as much, and I smoked at work, but I wasn't late for any orders, and it's just terrible. But I don't know. My boss bought me an energy drink today, and it was I'm never gonna be able to sleep. It was this one. It was really good, but now I'm like just like wide awake. And some green truck keeps trying to hit me on my way home. I need to get like a cam or something, or just like be more careful. 'Cause there are evil people out there. I dyed my hair today and I cut it, so it feels a little bit better. I worked all day and I came home. I've been eating too much, so I haven't necessarily gained weight, but just like put on temporary weight that, you know, just from eating a lot. I'm like, okay, eating. I haven't been eating bad things though. Like yesterday I pigged out. I ate whatever I wanted, or you know, like some of what I wanted. And today I ate more than I should have too. So yeah, but I feel satisfied. You know, I'm like, oh, my tummy's it's full. You know, it's like kind of nice to be full and not starving all the time. But we'll go back to our starvation in a little bit and drop some more weight. I've got a bunch of salads, so those will help. You know, like I had a salad for like dinner. Like, okay, basically I had a cheeseburger, 2 cheeseburgers, and a salad for lunch, and I had a French dip for dinner. French dip and a half. And for breakfast I had like lasagna or something like that. But it was like 300 calories, so I'm probably like 2,000, 2,500 calories for today, which isn't bad. I don't know. Guess no one cares. Nobody cares for me, Oh, me. Yeah, so I should probably go to bed soon. I need to drink a lot of water and go to bed. And then I could go to work. Tomorrow hopefully will be a better day. I hate Sundays. Sundays suck. Yeah.